The exhibition, The Many Faces of Biotech, is organized thanks to the Italian partnership with ASSA Biotech in the context of the second European Biotech Week, and is promoted by Fondazione Toscana Life Sciences and Siena Città Candidata Capitale Europea alla Cultura 2019, in collaboration with Università degli Studi di Siena, Comune di Siena, Fondazione Achille Sclavo, Sclavo Vaccines Association, Novartis Vaccines, Vis Mederi also as a sponsor. The exhibition goes through the emotional and human side of science, seen through the eyes of those people who work in the labs and research groups of Fondazione Toscana Life Sciences, Università degli Studi di Siena, and Novartis Vaccines, and explicits to the public that warmth inside looks, faces, smiles, and expressions that are easy to find in these environments here in Siena. Explanatory texts can be found both in the exhibition and on the YouTube channel of the promoters. High school students final year classes of Istituto Tecnico Biotechnology Monna Agnese and Istituto Tecnico Industriale Tito Sarrocchi will explain as experienced science communicators some aspects of research, production, and use of biotechnology.
Biotechnology is a technological application that uses biological systems, living organisms, or their derivatives in order to make or modify processes or products for a specific purpose. The term biotechnology derived from the union of two nouns: biology, the study of living things and the laws governing them, and technology, the study of the processes and equipment necessary for the production of goods and services in a specific area or industry. A new term that describes an ancient discipline that dates back to prehistoric times. Our ancestors began producing these products thousands and thousands of years ago: bread, wine, yogurt, and cheese. However, they did not understand the underlying mysteries of these productions. Louis Pasteur, now considered the father of biotechnology, understood and described these usual but mysterious events. The first products that allow us to talk about innovative technology are the ones made by recombinant DNA technology. Genetic engineering is a science born in the 80s, which combines molecular biology with the methods of genetics. Biotechnology are commonly classified by colors based on their field of application.
Biotech history in Siena began in the 20th century when Achille Sclavo, an Italian physician, professor, and philanthropist and researcher, founded the Istituto Tecnico Industriale Toscano for the treatment and prevention of infectious diseases and the promotion of a hygiene program in the city. The University of Siena, established in 1240, has a long tradition in teaching and research in the field of life science. They also contribute to the growth of its territory through the creation of spin-offs. The teaching effort is divided into first, second, and third level program, as well as the master, which is included in one in collaboration with Novartis Vaccines. TLS is a non-profit organization that has been active in the regional panorama since 2005 with the objective of fostering and research the life science field, supporting in particular the company start-up. Novartis Vaccines is the only biotechnology company that research, develops and produces vaccines in Italy. Each year the company produces more than 110 million vaccines for 130 different countries. The company in Siena and Rosia employs more than 2,000 people coming from 33 different countries all over the world. And they all work for the creation of new vaccines, such as the first vaccine against meningococcal B, the first against X bacterium. The Sclavo Vaccines Association is a non-profit organization focused on the development of new technologies and new vaccines. The mission of the Fondazione Achille Sclavo Onlus is to reduce the child mortality and to improve the health of the condition of the low-income countries.
We define industrial biotechnology as all uses of molecular biology techniques aimed at facilitating industrial processes, producing bioproducts and bioenergy, and remediating affected environmental areas. The most significant applications to date are industrial processes, bioplastics, bioenergies, environmental protection, food biotechnology, conservation, and restoration.
The introduction of modern biotechnology consisted in a positive change in the prospect of improving productivity and the quality of plant varieties, in full respect of the sustainability and efficiency of the entire food chain. An essential step in this project is genomic, that is the mapping or sequencing of genes specific to each species and the identification of their functions. In the food industry, biotechnology offers important tools for geneticists, such as molecular markers and portions of DNA that characterize a specific species, varieties, or breeds of plants and animals. Plants, fruits, and vegetables can even be used as factories to produce recombinant proteins.
Red biotechnology is the area of biotechnologies that deals with pharmaceutical and biomedical processes, from diagnosis system to innovative therapies. The birth of the first biomedical medicines dates back to the production of antibiotics with microorganisms such as penicillin. In recent decades, the biotech in medicine has led to many important advancements in many fields. Red biotech is applied to the following fields: diagnostics, therapies, nanobiotechnology, and cosmetics.